Toyota Vios 2014 to 2018 version. Install Onego 10.1-inch Android big screen player, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage with OEM good fitting casing, big screen casing good fitting, OEM power socket plug and play, IPS screen, multi-angle view, connect with Cogoo night view HD parking reverse camera. It's got a fixed line. Full menu. Equalizer, 10-band equalizer, a preset channel, loudness control, video. So when you see do not watch video when driving, you press home and go to the car setting, general setting, common, turn off the handbrake. Video and click home. So now it's a dual screen function. Front can GPS, rear screen, headrest or roof monitor for video, or turn on the PIP function, picture in picture, turn on. Now it's a PIP, picture in picture. Square icon, long press, draw it to left or right for split screen, left right screen. Press home. Turn on the GPS. Another side, turn on video. So one side GPS, one side video. If you don't want the split screen, turn off. Back to home. Full menu. Go to setting. Turn on Wi-Fi, network internet. Connect phone hotspot for internet. About car, T3, Android version 10, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. Screen off or screensaver. Screensaver will show a time and date. Press anyway to turn it on. Radio. Select the frequency you want. Okay, you have to go to the car setting to change the radio area. For Malaysia, you have to choose a Europe or China. Okay, back to radio. So the frequency will change to start from 87.5. You select the frequency you want. Long press to save it. Long press to save it. Easy connect mirror link. Bluetooth. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth. Click the music icon for Bluetooth music. Video input and video output. Online TV APK downloaded from web page. Okay, so this is Onego 10.1-inch, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, OEM casing, OEM socket plug and play for Toyota Vios 2014 to 2018 version. Installed by OneBiz. Video by Andy. Thank you.